Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the class.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
morning, sir.
Yeah, good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
Good morning. 2 minutes, I'll be back. Hi, everyone. Good morning and welcome back to the class. Okay, so quickly tell me where I stopped in the last class exactly. How many problems are done?
11 are done, sir. We have to start the 12th one.
Okay, that's very good. Thank you. 12th one shuru madbekalva. Okay. Can you tell me the page number? I think I got it. Oh, Saturday, I took the class and 11 problems are over, right? So I have to start from the 12th one. Yeah, okay, no problem. Okay. Okay, now listen to the 12th sum. Okay, everyone just read through that. I will explain it. All of you type number 12. Yes, please. Okay. See, the sum of 4 terms of a GP is 56 and the sum of the last 4 terms is 1112. If its first term is 11, find the number of terms. Finally I should find out the value of n, right? Okay. So hagadre first 4 terms and last in the 4 terms tagobek nanu adra bagge discussion ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, one second. Okay. If I want to take sum of 4 terms, see, if you just see in the EPL, I have given a list actually how to consider 3 terms in AP, how to consider 4 terms in AP. That should be applied when I know the sum and the product actually. When the sum and the product both are not given, then don't select the terms in that way, right? You want the sum of the first 4 terms, right? So from the beginning, I will take the 4 terms. So this is number 12, A, AR, AR square, AR cube. Okay, this will be the 4 terms from the beginning. Then they said you take the 4 terms from the end.
Sir,
Now,
AP, sir.
yeah, sorry, thank you. Then it's going to be A plus D, A plus 2D, and A plus 3D, right? Now I have to take the sum of 4 terms from the end actually. Okay, Sujal, how to take 4 terms from the end?
Sir, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3.
Okay, so from the end andre A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the nth term. And
Yes,
the
sir.
4 terms reverse order ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾನು. Okay, so it is n minus 1 into D andre, the next one n minus 2 into D, and the next one A plus
N minus 3 into
and a plus n minus
minus
4
4
into d. From the end in the 4 terms ತಗೋಬೇಕು, from the beginning in the 4 terms ತಗೋಬೇಕು, right? So what is they have given? The sum from the beginning, 4 terms from the beginning is 56. Okay, so what they said is given a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and this sum is given as 112, right? Yeah, sorry, it's been given as 56, right? And the next one, the sum of the last 4 terms is given as 1112. That means the 4 terms what I have taken here, right? This sum is given as 1112. So let me just simplify this equation first. So this is going to be 4a 5 plus 6d will be equal to 56. Let me divide by 2. So this is going to be 2a plus 3d is equal to 28. Let me call this as equation number 1. Okay, 1 second. Now it's okay, Patil. Video blur ಅಂತೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಡೆ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇರ್ಲಿ. Okay, now the sum of 4 terms from the end ಅಂದ್ರೆ I should add up these 4 terms. ಈಗ ಈ ನಾಲ್ಕು ನಾನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. So 4a plus ಈ ನಾಲ್ಕರಲ್ಲಿ d ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ n-1 plus n-2 plus n-3 plus n-4 and this sum is given as 112. Correct alವಾ? So further simplify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಈಗ. So it's going to be 4a plus d into 4n 4 plus 3 7 7 10 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ರೈಟ್? ಮೈನಸ್
ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರು a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳೇ ಇರ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಇನ್ನು ಆಯ್ತು ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ 1 and 2 and solve it. ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ನಾ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 and 2 ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ a ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್. ನೋ,
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್,
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾನು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸಿ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ 1 and 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ a ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಎ ಹರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್? ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 minus 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, and that's equal to 112. Now ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ 2 ಕೊಸಿ I can divide by 2. Actually things will become simple. Okay, so divide by 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this will be 2a plus d into 2n minus 5 is equal to 56 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Now let me just call this as equation number 2. So as the problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, if its first term is 11 ಅಂದ್ರೆ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The only thing for me is to find out d value. Okay, so ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Given a is equal to 11, okay, substitute in 1 and 2. ಸುಜಲ್ ಇದು MCQs ಅಲ್ಲ ಸುಜಲ್, MCQs ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಥಿಯರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವೈಸ್ ನಾನು ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಸ್ಬೋದು ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆತರ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 11 ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ 44, ರೈಟ್? plus 6d is equal to 56. 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, 2 ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ d ನಂಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ 6d is equal to 56 minus 44 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? 22 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Or can I say the value of this will be 11 by 3? All of you please check and tell me if it's correct till here. ಸರಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ
Sir, it's 12.
Sir, 12, sir.
Okay. Yeah, sorry, 1 second. 12 alva. So hagadre idu d value 2 agutte. Okay, now all of you make a note. Yeah, that's okay. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ದ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ. All of you please mention if you finished writing. See, what observe ಮಾಡಿ, a value already ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, d ನಾವು ಕಂಡಿಡಿದಾಯ್ತು. ಸೊ a and d ನ equation 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, the rest ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ a and d in equation 2. I repeat, ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ a and d in equation 2 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
Eleven.
11 yeah, that's okay.
11.
Yeah, that's fine. No, Patil, 11 ನೀವು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. a and d equation 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ n ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ and n value will be 11.
11 sir.
Okay, everyone got it? Please check.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
everyone stop writing and listen to me. I said stop writing and listen to me. Today you have one more maths class at 2:45. 1:30 to 2:30 chemistry irutte. Okay, 2:30 to 2:45 you have a break. 2:45 to 3:45 you have a maths class. Hope everyone understood. Is that clear? You have a maths
sir.
class today at 2:45.
Okay, sir.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಒಂದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದೆ, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್
Yes, sir. 5 o'clock class.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
5 o'clock.
ಅದೇ ಲಿಂಕ್ ನ ನೀವು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇನಾದ್ರೂ
Okay,
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಕೆ?
Yes.
Yes.
ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅದಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿವನ್?
Okay, sir.
So
Yes,
2:45 we have a class. ನೋಡೋಣ, ಇಫ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳ್ಸಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 13. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ರೀಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಜಿ ಪಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 3 things which are equal. Let me just take the first and the second. So this is problem number 13 alva. So idರಲ್ಲಿ first and second term ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Okay, what is the first one? A plus bx divided by a minus bx is equal to b plus cx divided by b minus cx. I have taken the first and the second term. I will cross multiply, I will simplify. Everyone has to concentrate and listen to this. That's it. Okay, ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಂತ ದಡ್ಡರು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, ನನ್ನ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, now I will cross multiply these two. So on cross multiplying these two, AB minus ACX plus B square X minus BCX square. Similarly, ಇದೆರಡು multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. AB plus ACX ಆಮೇಲೆ minus B square X minus it's going to be BCX square. Okay, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸರಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. AB ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? Minus BCX square minus BCX square also get cancels, correct, right? Then what is the remaining? B square ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಇದನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Similarly, I have a negative term here. This I will shift it to right side. So what happens here? B square x plus B square x 2B square x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ACX plus ACX 2ACX ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. The remaining is B square is equal to AC. That's okay, right? B square is equal to AC. Can I write as B by A is equal to C by B? ನೋಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಬರೀಬೋದಾ? Everyone agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This I got it when I took the first and the second. Now let me take the second and the third one. Okay, now what is the second one I have? B plus Cx divided by B minus Cx, and the third one is c plus dx divided by c minus dx. I will repeat the same procedure. Cross multiply, simplify, and just try to get an equation like this. Okay. So when on cross multiplying these two, bc minus bdx plus c square x minus cd x square is equal to bc plus bdx minus c square x minus dc x square. So this will be cancelled, bc will be cancelled as usual, negative terms will be interchanged, right? So c square x plus c square x, I'm going to get 2c square x, bdx plus bdx, and that's going to be 2bdx. 2 will be cancelled, x will be cancelled, c square is equal to bd. C square is equal to bd can also be written as c by b is equal to d by c. Right. Now that's my equation number 2. So here you got b by a is equal to c by b, but c by b is equal to d by c. Let me combine 1 and 2 now. Okay. So from 1 and 2. So what do you notice from 1 and 2? Here to combine madre, b by a is equal to c by b is equal to d by c. See one observe money. This condition says A, B, C are in GP. Everyone accept this?
Yes, sir.
This condition
sir.
says A, B, C are in GP. This condition says B, C, D are in GP. Eradu combine madre. Now can I say A, B, C, D are in GP? Will everyone accept the statement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If it's clear, please make a note. If you have a doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Note down.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, after this we won't have any class, sir, then?
After my
After your
class.
class. Yes,
I
sir.
don't have
We
any
won't
idea, man. I have no idea.
So after this we have chemistry class. You told from 1:30 to 2:30 we'll have chemistry class, no, sir. So,
Maybe I think that's an extra class, I guess. I think that will be announced. Okay.
okay, sir. Okay.
Extra classes will be announced. Okay. But anyway, I got my class, so I'm announcing. So I will be taking a class at 2:45 exactly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All of you complete this, and the last conclusion very big. You have to mention the conclusion. This implies that A, B, C, D are in GP. One sentence very big. ಅದು ಬರ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 14 ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ 14 ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Please type 14 if you finish writing this. I want everyone, those who have finished, please type number 14 so that I can move on to the 14 sum.
Sir, what should we write, sir? Conclusion?
ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ತನುಶ್ರೀ. I said twice. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. What did I say? Can you please repeat?
Therefore, the terms are in GP.
Terms allama, not the terms. Look at the problem. I said the statement twice. ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
A, B, C, D are in GP.
Yes, write that.
Sorry, sir.
ದಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ತನುಶ್ರೀ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. ನಾನು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು 14th sum. 14th ಅಲ್ಲಿ if S be the sum, okay, and P be the product and R be the sum of reciprocals of n terms. So first meaning explain ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. There is a GP. Let me take the n terms of the GP. Okay. So 14th sum A, AR, AR square up to AR to the power n minus 1. So let me consider a GP of n terms. So what they have given, S is the sum of n terms. Okay, so they've said that given S is equal to A plus AR up to AR to the power n minus 1, but I know the sum of n terms of a GP. This is given by A into 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R. This is S value. This is the sum of n terms. Okay. Then P, product of sum of C. P is, they said that P is the product of sum of n terms of a GP. Product of the whole thing first actually. Okay. So P is AR square up to A into R to the power n minus 1. Product of n terms. Product of n terms. How many A are there and how so that we can multiply? How many A we have multiplied here? N number of terms. So if A is multiplied by n number of terms, so can I just write it as A to the power n? A is multiplied n number of times, so I can write it as A to the power n. And look at it. Here, R to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to where? N minus 1, right? Okay. Now, will you agree from here to here, there are n minus 1 terms? 1, 2, 3 up to n minus 1. So there are n minus 1 terms?
Yes, sir.
Bega mention madbeko. Here, 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on up to n minus 1 is an AP. Is it an AP, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Subtract mad nodi. 2 minus 1, 1 baratte. 3 minus 2, 1 baratte. So it's an AP actually. And we have a formula to find out sum of n terms of an AP. In that formula, n has to be replaced by n minus 1. Okay. So therefore, S is equal to, if you remember, it is n by 2. Original formula baritini, alter martini. N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is sum of n terms. But now I'm finding sum of n minus 1 terms. Okay. So therefore, S n minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 by 2, 2A. A value is 1, common difference is 1. So this will be 2 plus n minus 2 agate because n has to be replaced by n minus 1. So n minus 1 minus 1, n minus 2 agate and multiplied by D, that is 1. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel madi. So what is the remaining? N minus 1 into n multiplied by 2. So illi bardidinalva. This has to be replaced by this now. Okay. So this will become A to the power n, R to the power n into n minus 1 by 2. This is P. Innu agilla. S aitu P aitu. They have mentioned something about R. What does R stands for? Can someone tell me?
Sum of reciprocals of n terms.
Sum of reciprocals of n terms. That means the n terms what I have taken, I have to take the reciprocal. Okay. And here R is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by AR plus 1 by AR square up to 1 by AR to the power n minus 1. This is R. I have to simplify this. Let me take the LCM to simplify. This is the highest one. LCM you will see the highest number of the two, right? This is the highest among all, right? So A cancel agate, right? So what I get here, R to the power n minus 1, A get cancels, right? So R by R to the power n minus 1 idre 1 less than that, right? Can someone please tell me, is it okay what I'm writing? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the
Yes,
next
sir.
one, can you guess? Reduce agta hoಗುತ್ತೆ. N minus 1, N minus 2, N minus 3, reduce agta hoಗುತ್ತೆ, right? So the next term, if I write R to the power N minus 3 barutte, if I keep writing this, nodi, idu cancel agutte. In place of that 1 baritira, the previous term, sorry. In term, the previous term tagobek nanu. Can someone tell me what is the previous term of this?
2, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
No. Yochane ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ. In terms of RL ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, powers of RL reduce ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. This is R to the power 0. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ previous one, can I write it as R?
R, sir.
And the previous of that, can I write it as R square?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Charit, see, R stands for the sum of the reciprocal of n terms. Then you have to take LCM. LCM is a into r to the power n minus 1. And see, a get cancelled. So remaining is r to the power n minus 1. So that will be here. A get cancels. And when I multiply these two, r to the power n minus 2. So you just keep reducing one at a time. N minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. If I keep continuing like this, last term will be 1. Previous one will be r. And the previous one will be r square, like this. Okay. Okay, right. If you're finished writing, please let me know. I have to continue this further.
Done, sir.
Okay. So let me continue. Still, it's not over, right? This has to be simplified further. Okay. So now, okay. Now here, let me consider this. This ulta order, reverse order. Okay, 1 plus r square up to where? R to the power n minus 1. Is it a GP? Everyone just look at here. 1 plus r square up to r to the power n minus 1. Is it a GP? Just check man.
Yes, sir.
R by 1, R baratte. R square by R baratte, right? You are getting a common ratio. That means it's a GP. So it's a GP means I know the formula to find out sum of n terms. But let me ask you, from here to here, how many terms are there? N terms or n minus 1 terms? Please let me know.
N terms.
N terms, sir.
Illinda shuru aguttallva. So including this, it becomes n terms actually, right? So I know the formula to find out Sn is equal to a multiplied by 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. So that means this numerator is there, no? This has to be replaced by this now. Okay, denominator hage irutte. Therefore, r is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. Denominator as it is and retain ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Multiplied by a into r to the power n minus 1. Here you can cancel a and the remaining thing 1 minus r to the power n, okay, divided by 1 minus r multiplied by r to the power n minus 1. This is the simplest form of sum of the reciprocal of n terms, which has been mentioned as capital R. Now let me start. What is the left hand side of the given condition? Sorry, the required condition. Can you please mention?
P square is equal to r to the power n.
Madam, odri sariyagidana.
P square is equal to
P square r to the power n.
P square multiplied by r to the power n. Okay, right. Yes, Tanushri, can you please come back and tell me what is the value of P? P ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
a to the power n r to the power n into n minus 1 divided by 2.
This is P ಅಲ್ವಮ್ಮ? P square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ನಾನು?
Yes, sir.
ಆಮೇಲೆ this is r for me.
Yes, sir.
ಇದನ್ನ ಪವರ್ n ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r multiplied by r to the power n minus 1 to the power n. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it has to be simplified. ಈಗ observe ಮಾಡಿ. Can I write this as a to the power 2n first ನೋಡಿ? No, should be separated for this. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ separate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 and 2 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So what is the remaining? r to the power n into n minus 1 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ n has to be separated for all the three. So it has to be 1 minus r to the power n whole to the power n. Denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ
1 minus r to the power n
r to the power
n minus 1 into n.
multiplied by n. Correct, right? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Just observe now. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 terms left for me. A to the power 2n hage. Right? And this becomes
1 minus
r to the power n. Okay, ಇದೆರಡು combine ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. What is my required condition? Can you please look at it?
p square r to the power n is equal to s to the power n.
S already ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ನಮಗೆ? What is S? Can you please tell me?
A into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r.
Right. S to the power n ಅಂದ್ರೆ if I have to raise, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ n raise ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A to the power n into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r whole power n. ಈ ತರ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ?
Yes, sir.
So should I alter a little bit here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's okay.
Is a power 2n, sir.
Where, man?
The left side,
Huh?
it is a power 2n, sir. Right side, it is a power n.
No, are you talking about this one?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything wrong I have written? Everyone, please let me know.
Sir, in denominator,
Denominator ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಮ್ಮ?
we have to write a
Where?
n. We have cancelled it r to the power. No, sir, down.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Yes, a to the power n.
Okay, 1 second here, because no, clearly mention ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು. I know there's one term I'm going wrong, but exactly a to the power n. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಯಾರಿದು? ತನುಶ್ರೀ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಇದನ್ನ? Because ನಾನು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir.
Tanushree, you missed out one thing, Tanushree. Because ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ. Okay, is this a? Is that correct, Tanushree? ಹಾ, ಇವಾಗ a to the power n ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, right. Now that's okay, no problem. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, a to the power 2n, a power n, 1 power cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, a power n ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Right? ಇವಾಗ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ a 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r whole to the power n ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, because power common ಆಗಿದೆ. And I know that this is nothing but s power n. So ನೋಡಿ ತನುಶ್ರೀ, ನೀವು ಇದೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ everything was going wrong. Okay, that's okay. Everyone understand?
r ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಇದು
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ಈ ಕಡೆ r ನ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ r ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಓಕೆ, 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇರಮ್ಮ. ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ.
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಯಾ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಎ ಇಸ್ 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Oh, I missed it. Sorry, Tanushree. I think I missed it.
No, sir, no problem.
Yeah, okay. Note down, everybody. Finish writing and then mention problem number 16. Sorry, 15. 14 is over, 15 mention. Mention number 15 if you finish writing. So number 15, the P, Q and the R term of the AP are A, B, C respectively. Then show some condition is 0 on the ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Let me just check this. Students, you need to observe, I cannot take A as the first term this time. ಏನಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ A is already been used there. Usually how to take actually A is the first term, D is the common difference of the togolti, correct? Right. But this time I cannot take A as the first term because A is already been used in the problem. So let me take something other than ABC because ABC are already used. Okay, right. So 15th term, let T be the first term and D be the common difference of AP. Alphabets ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ, ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ A ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, no problem. Okay, I have something other than ABC I have taken here. So what has been given there? Given TP is equal to A, right? TP is equal to A, right? The equation of this T plus P minus 1 into D is equal to A. Let me call this as equation 1. TQ is given as B, so T plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to B, equation number 2. Similarly, TR is equal to C, so T plus R minus 1 into D is equal to C. Let me take this as equation 3. By using 1, 2, 3, I should show some condition. I'll mention adana find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು. Now to do this, ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? I will go for 2 minus 1 and then I will go for 3 minus 2. Hint ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, rough sketch ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, first ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. I will go for 2 minus 1, find the common difference. I will go for 3 minus 2, find the common difference, and then I will use those two. So just observe ಮಾಡಿ, equation 2 minus equation 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? When I subtract, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, T cancel ಆಯ್ತು, and in these two D is common, so D common ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. So what is the remaining? Q minus 1 minus P plus 1, right? Right side ಅಲ್ಲಿ B minus A ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel ಮಾಡಿ. So from this, D is equal to B minus A divided by Q minus P. Equation number 4 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನ. Similarly, let me go for 3 minus 2. Now if I subtract T and T will get cancels. From these two, D is common. R minus 1 minus Q plus 1. That's okay, right? And the right side, C minus B ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So again plus 1 minus 1 cancels. D is equal to C minus B divided by R minus Q. Equation number 5. So from 4 and 5, what will I observe? Idu D ಇದೆ, idu D ಇದೆ, and the common difference has to be equal alwa, because it's an AP ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, right? So from 4 and 5, B minus A divided by Q minus P is equal to C minus B divided by R minus Q. The rest is multiplication and simplifying till I get my required condition. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ BR minus BQ minus AR plus AQ. That's fine. ಈಗ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. ಓಕೆ, CQ minus CP, okay, minus BQ plus BP. Fine. Okay, so I have to arrange it in the required fashion. So one observe ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. See, grouping is very simple. ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. There are two terms of A. ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Okay, so ಇದೆರಡರಲ್ಲೂ A ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ Q minus R ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I am grouping ಅಷ್ಟೇ. There are two terms of B. Okay, these two. So let's take this as common. So plus, okay, B into R minus Q. ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ನೋ, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ನೋ, ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ಯಾವ್ದಮ್ಮ?
minus BQ and minus BQ, sir.
one second ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾ, minus BQ get cancels because my required number of terms only 3 ಬರಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ ನನಗೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ BP ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I already have a term here, BR minus BP. ಇದೆರಡನ್ನು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Plus CP minus CQ is equal to 0. So A into Q minus R plus B into R minus P plus C into P minus Q is equal to 0. I hope this is my required condition. Can everyone please check and tell me if it's correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is that okay?
Sir.
See, first the thing is, problem ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Solution will be lengthy actually. Rough sketch ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, so I have 3 equations. Subtract 2 at a time, get the common difference, equate them, multiply and arrange it in the required fashion. Solve ಮಾಡಿ.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, as we did, sir, first if we subtract second equation minus first equation,
Hmm.
and we find both common difference in first term and substitute in third equation, sir. Answer sigutta.
Right, sir. Okay.
That way also we can do, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
ಸರಿ
Yes, sir.
ಇದು 2 - 1 1 - 2 ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ 1 - 2 ಮಾಡೋ, 2 - 3 ಮಾಡೋ, ಇಲ್ಲ 1 - 3 ಮಾಡೋ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡು, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅದಾದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ನೀನ್ 1 - 2 ಮಾಡು, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1 - 3 ಮಾಡು, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Please finish and mention. Mr. Stalin, won't your method be too complicated compared to this one? Finding D, then finding T, substitute in equation number 3, and then simplifying. Won't it be difficult?
No,
Won't
sir.
it take more number of steps compared to this one?
Don't know, sir.
Stalin,
Don't know, sir. Like, I just thought maybe
without checking, how did you say?
I didn't I didn't do it, sir. I just asked, will that process also?
No. I'm asking. I thought you have done it and then you're telling me.
No, sir. I didn't do it, sir.
Always do it and then tell me, no?
Okay, sir.
Huh? No, I think that process might take more time compared to the one which I have done it here. Okay. See, finding D, then substituting in any one of the equation to find out T. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Then after finding A and T, we'll substitute in equation number 3.
Yes,
Please, just you try and then let me know in the afternoon class, okay?
okay, sir.
Okay, done. Let's have the next one, please. Everyone type number 16. Please type number 16. Okay, now, right. So what is the condition being given as A into 1 by B plus 1 by C, adadmele B into 1 by C by 1 by A, C into 1 by A plus 1 by B. These three are in AP. Correct, right? Hope I have written correctly. Yeah, right. As I know that three numbers are in AP andre, their common difference should be same. Correct, right? So the common difference andre, this minus this. So B into 1 by C plus 1 by A minus A into 1 by B plus 1 by C is equal to C into 1 by A plus 1 by B minus B into 1 by C plus 1 by A. The common difference should be same. Our concept apply ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Now the rest is multiplying everything. First, let us remove all the brackets, right? So let me go for these two. So if I multiply this inside, this will be BC plus B by A. Right? This will be A by B plus A by C. And this will be C by A plus C by B minus B by C plus B by A. Now I will take LCM for all the terms here. What is the LCM here? This is AC. So this becomes AB plus BC. Correct, right? If I'm going anywhere wrong, you can just let me know. Right. So here the LCM is BC. This will be AC plus AB. And the next one, if I take LCM as AB here, right? What happens to the numerator? BC plus AC. Minus, once again, AC if I take the LCM. So this is going to be AB plus BC. Right? You know, ಇಲ್ಲಿ AC ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ BC ಇದೆ. Common ಆಗಿ ABC ಅಂತ LCM ತಗೋಬೋದಾ? Please let me know if this is okay. Can I take ABC as the LCM for both?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. ಆಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ B ಮಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? B ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So B has to be multiplied for both. So B square A plus B square C ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And here A is missing, that A should be multiplied here along with the minus sign. So minus A square C minus A square B ಆಯ್ತು. Right. Right side also I'm going to take the same LCM A B C. So C is not there in the denominator, so this will be BC square plus AC square. B is not there, so B should be multiplied. Minus B square A minus B square C. Shall I cancel the ABC on both sides? One second, ellaru illivargu okay anta helidre, then I will continue further. Has everyone understood till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please mention yes or no, everybody. If the rest is arranging the terms aste. So once I'll help, if this is clear, I will continue.
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay na? Right. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. B square A ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆರಡನ್ನು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. I will write side by side. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈಗ. B square A minus A square B. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಂಗ್ ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, now after this B square C is there. Right. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು A square C ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. I am going to shift this to left side. Okay, so let me just retain this B square C as it is. This AC square will be shifted. Okay, minus AC square. Why it is done like this? Please notice in the next step. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ನನಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? One second. B square C minus A square C. B square C minus A square C. So yes, I can take. Yeah, that's okay. Now tell me the remaining terms on the right side. ಇದನ್ನ right shift ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, A square C ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, now along with this, can I consider this minus B square A? Right. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎರಡು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ BC square minus B square C. Please don't come to any conclusion till I go to the next step and explain. One or two steps wait ಮಾಡಿ. Then you can ask me why it is arranged like this. Sir, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ? That depends on the arrangements. Okay. Now what is common in the first two terms? Observe ಮಾಡಿ. In this and this, can I take AB as common? Everyone say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
AB common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ can I write the remaining term as B minus A? Observe ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, ಈ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ okay, can I take C as common ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು ನೋಡಿ? B square C, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇರಿ. One second. B square C ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. Okay, one second. No, B square C is there. I want to take C as common, so I want a term of AC square. I know I have missed out the multiplication term. B square C minus A square C. One second. A square C. Did I miss any multiplication here in this particular step? LCM al ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ? One second. No, that's okay, right? C has to be multiplied for this. BC square ಬರುತ್ತೆ, and this becomes BC square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That's fine. And B has to be multiplied for this, so this becomes B square A minus B square C. One term missed there. Can someone tell me where I missed it exactly? No, unmute and tell me. I know I have skipped one multiplication ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ. A square C ಇದು. One second.
Sir?
Yes ma, please tell me.
Sir, ಮೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲ B square C and BC square group ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ sir?
ಇದೆರಡಲ್ಲ? Okay, then no shifting is required then. Okay, one second. B square C minus ಇನ್ನೊಂದು term ಹೇಳೋ?
BC square sir, right hand side ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರು. A square C, that's okay. That's fine.
Sir,
Now,
what if we take BC?
one ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರಮ್ಮ. C ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ B square minus A square ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Yeah, that's okay, no problem. Right, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay. Then ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So first is AC square. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ. Then I'm going to take minus B square. This is one group. BC square and B square C. Okay. What is common in these two I can take? If I take this and this, I want AB as AC as common. In these two,
ಸರ್ ಎರಡು ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಒಂದು ಎ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್.
I will just arrange the right side which is left over here. Okay. BC square ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿ. Okay. And the next one, I want to take, see ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. BC square minus
B square C, sir. You can take B
square A
square C.
minus B square. One second. C square A minus C square B ತಗೊಳ್ಳ plus C square B ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. C square B ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. This is C square A plus C square B. In these two, yeah, I can take B square as common. So A plus B square common ತಗದ್ರೆ A plus C ಬರುತ್ತೆ. No. Just wait. This will be BC square. This will be AC square minus AB square minus B square C. Okay. Now this LCM is cancelled. So right side only, what is the common? I can just draw. C square B minus C square B there minus AB square common thoda minus B square A. Let me just group these two together. BC square minus AB square. Then I can remove C square A.
Sir, B square A and C square A.
One second. I can take A common, then C square minus B square barata, right? So I have grouped AC square and AB square, and between these two, BC is common, so the remaining is C minus B. Yeah, that's okay, no problem. I got it. Plus BC into C minus B. Yeah, sorry. Agate confusion agate. I'm not so genius to remember everything. See, the thing is, I won't by heart the thing, so I just remember the rough sketch and somewhere it happens. Okay, now just look at. Let me explain completely. So LCM ವರ್ಗು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು AB ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ B minus A ಬರುತ್ತೆ. And between these two, if I take C common, B square minus A square. Sir, why you are grouping like this? Careful ನೋಡಿ. In these two, I can take B minus A common in the next step, right? And in these two, I can take C minus B common in the next step. So let me take B minus A as common, and here it's going to be AB ಆಚೆ AB ಇರುತ್ತೆ plus C. What is the remaining here? B plus A ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Now on the right side, if I take C minus B as common, so here it's going to be A into C plus B plus BC. So common ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, right. Careful ಆಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. Please note down and tell me ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎರಡು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. I know it's time up. I need another 2 minutes extra. That's it. ನೋಡ, in case last time ಇದೇ ತರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, I remember. If there is another easier method other than this, ನೋಡ, in case possible ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. This is one regular method, but as I noticed and as everyone noticed, grouping remember ಮಾಡ್ಕೋದ್ರೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ನೋಡ, in case possible ಇದ್ರೆ I will just try to just find out the another method. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. But I may find another easier method other than this. Note down this and tell me clear, and I will complete. Just another 2 steps are there. I will complete them. Hope you can understand what I have written after this. Okay, so ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can ask me. Just 2 steps ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ AB plus BC plus CA ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. B minus A equal to C minus B. That is the condition for ABC to be in AP. Please check.
Sir,
Yes man.
sir, message in bandla sir, class bug hai.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ. If there is any class, we will let you know. Please wait ಮಾಡಿ. Okay.
Adalla sir, chemistry ಇವತ್ತು 12 to 1
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. I have no idea about it. Okay.
Okay sir.
Okay. Now please everyone make a note of this. I know it's time up. You have another class at 12 o'clock. So all of you take care. We will meet in the afternoon. Thank you.